Welcome back. Long pending demands of artisans of Goa have been approved by the government. Fatoda MLA Damu Naik told Prudent Media that he had given 10 days of ultimatum to the government, due to which government has approved their demands.
For a long time, the artisans of Goa were waiting to get their demands approved. The artists who execute marvelous work of making idols of Lord Ganesha had demanded subsidy for them. 37 lakhs have been sanctioned by Goa Handicraft and Rural Industrial Development Corporation, and 365 artisans of Goa will get the benefits.
सरकारान तेन्ना घोशणाय केल्ली की मुर्तीचे प्रत्येक मुर्ती फाटल्यान 100 रुपयाचें अनुदान आमी दितले म्हणून, आनी आमी मागणी केल्ली 200 रुपयाचें अनुदान प्रत्येक मुर्तीकाराक दिवचें म्हणून. पण 100 रुपया जायना काय, कारण ते 2004 पासून आमी तो विशेष प्रयत्न करता की गोंयच्या सगळे मुर्तीकार आसा, गणपतीचे मुर्तीकार आसा ते मूळ गोंयकार आसा आनी जे पारंपारीक कला तांच्यांनी टिकोवन धरिल्ली आसा. इवन प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसचे व्हडलें आक्रमण जालें तें सुद्दां तांच्यांनी परतून लायलें, आनी एक बऱ्यांतले बऱ्यो मुर्ती करपाचो तांचो जो प्रयत्न आसा तो आनी कला टिकोवन दवरपाचो तांचो उद्देश आसा, आनी तांकां अनुदान दिवपाचो उद्देश आशिल्लो. आनी सरकारान आमी तेन्ना विधानसभेन मनोहर पर्रीकर आसतना 25 लाख रुपयाचें तांचें प्रोविजन केल्लें, आनी मागीर तें सरकार पडले नंतर पर्यंत तांच्या हातान पर्यंत पावूं ना. पण वेळ जायना काय, आतां तें सगळे मुर्तीकारांक मेळटलें. आमी विधानसभेन तो प्रश्न मांडलो की बेगींतल्यान बेगीन दिवचें, आनी म्हाका एक बरें दिसलें की त्या आमच्या मागणेक अनुसरून रोखड्या त्या हाजें वांटप डिपार्टमेंटाचे थ्रू आतां जाता, कॉर्पोरेशनाचे थ्रू. आनी मुर्तीकारांचो हो एक प्रकारे गोंयकारांच्या अस्तित्वाक टिकोवन दवरपाचो एक विजय आसा.
A reporter in Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
It was a great day for Goa police. At Anjuna, charas worth rupees 4,49,000 was seized, whereas at Mandrem, cocaine worth rupees 11,25,000 was seized by anti-narcotic cell. In the second case, a woman was caught red-handed while looting a jewelry shop in Panji market, and in the third case, the accused in British rape case of Jan 2008 was arrested.
Charis worth rupees 4,49,000 was seized from Hanjuna by anti-narcotic cell on Tuesday. Two Nepali ladies, Babna Roka and Ramya Jahankuri, were arrested red-handed for possessing almost 5 kgs of charas.
We have caught two Nepali ladies, and by name Babana Roka and Ramaya Jahankuri, and from their possession we have found 4.49 kgs of charas approximately, worth of rupees 4,49,000, and the cash, and we have booked them under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act.
On the other side, cocaine worth rupees 11,25,000 was seized at Mandre. A Russian man, Viktor Kaplenko, was arrested for possessing of 2.25 grams of cocaine.
And we caught one Russian national by name Viktor Kaplenko, and from his possession we have found 225 grams of cocaine worth of rupees 11,25,000, and we also booked him under NDPS Act.
In another incident, Durgabai Ladke, aged 45 years, from Kalyan, Mumbai, was arrested red-handed while looting a jewellery shop in Panji market on Tuesday. PI Francisco Korth gave us more details.
One lady has been assaulted in the Panji market. So accordingly our policemen visited the place, and thereafter we learned that two ladies and one gent entered the Jewelaria Esmeralda jewelry shop, and after diverting the attention of the owner, they committed theft of gold ornaments, and while going away they were caught by the public, and one of the ladies was caught, and the remaining two people ran away.
On the first death anniversary of British teenager Scarlett, another British lady who was raped in Jan 2008 got some consolation. Lawrence Dias from Mauritius has been arrested by Goa police in this connection.
We arrested this accused person based on information which I received through my informant. We had made one portrait of this accused person based upon the version of the complainant, and on the basis of this portrait we received information that this accused person is strongly suspected to be involved in this rape case. Accordingly, I visited Mercedes Market, and yesterday at about 21:15 HRS I have arrested him, and we have interrogated him, and he has confessed of the commission of the crime.
Our reporter from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Margao municipality apprehended goods worth rupees 25,000 from the vendors selling these goods on footpath illegally. This drive against encroachers was held on Wednesday.
Margao municipality in an encroachment drive in Margao confiscated goods like chairs, clothes and other things. Goods estimated to rupees 25,000. The vendors were illegally carrying out their business on footpaths.
The raid is conducted at Station Road, Sadekar Lane, near Kohinoor Hotel and behind municipality. And now the matter has been reported to the chief officer. The goods will be approximately of about 25,000. And we are waiting for the instruction of the chief officer whether to release it on fine or not.
Our reporter in Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
BJP Karyakarta Merava was held at Kurchurim on Tuesday. The Merava was attended by a number of party workers. Here is a report.
The Merava was inaugurated by the opposition leader Manohar Parrikar, MP Shripad Naik, spokesperson of BJP Goa unit Govind Parbatkar, candidate for South Goa advocate Narendra Savaikar and other party workers. Savaikar, while addressing the party workers, gave out the reason why he is contesting Lok Sabha polls.
आणि प्रत्यक्ष 40-45 वर्सां उपरांत जे आयचे जे गोंय आसा ते गोंय जर पळयलें त्या गोंयचे राजकारण आमी सगळ्यांनी पळयलें जाल्यार तेजो बदल करपाक जाय जाल्यार तो चिखल आसा तो चिखल जर निवळ करपाक जाय जाल्यार तो निवळ करतलो जाल्यार आपूण भायर रावचो आनी तो निवळ जातलो अशें न्ही जाता तेजे खातीर प्रत्यक्ष भितर सरपाक जाय आनी त्याच विचारांतले प्रवीण हांव फुडें सरलेलो आसा.
This Meravas conducted at various places are in wake of upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Our reporter from Kurchere, Mayur Naik.